This is my Generation 2 Ring doorbell. I'm going to show you with the Door BOA how to assemble it. So first you're going to start out with the biggest block. I always put it at the bottom, and I'll face the camera down, of course. And then with the little small ones, I think there's a few of those, but I like to put 4 on each side and then 3 on the top. So I'm going to show you because I was confused, but now I'm not. So you want to get those snugly in, 4 on the left and then 4 on the right. And then the 4 on the right, you want to make sure that they go deep in there on the sides, because the more forward is pushed towards the front, like the more range you'll actually see on your camera view. And then that's 8 in. So I should have 3 left. And then I'm going to put the last 3 on the back. 2 side by side. And then 1 more kind of nudged in on the side. And then this is the tricky part. Depending on which way your door goes, like this is where you would set this up, either upside down or this way. First, start with the holes on the bottom. You're going to slide this little tool in, but then you also want to tuck the part with the holes in on the side until it clicks. Click. Boom. And then now you just get ready to put it on your door. And this is how it looks when it's in there. Pretty snug. I actually did it too perfectly this time. But I have to do this every time you charge it, every 30 days or so. So I'm going to show you how I put it on the door. The Velcro is already on here, but I know those little felt tabs, they done been gone. They've been gone. So I hope this helps.